How to buy a HoldBank token. So this token came under the symbol of HBank. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 hour ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. Now I will show you how to buy this token. So to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your front of wallet as you can see. Now here click on swap. Make sure that you have enough SOL on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address into search bar. So click on your token and now as you can see here you will be able to set how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see, you will see it next to it. Now to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider, select the Jupiter. There's only one provider. Click on apply. Now go back and here you can click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now this is how to buy HBank token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.